Acorn TV's honest review and user experience. Is it worth subscribing? If you're a fan of British dramas, mysteries and comedies, you've probably heard about Acorn TV's. But with so many streaming platforms out there, is it really worth adding another subscription? Here's my honest review. After spending months exploring its library, Acorn TV's focuses almost entirely on British and international shows, offering a refreshing alternative to the mainstream US-based platforms. You'll find classics like Midsummer Murders, Agatha Raisin, and newer series such as Whitstable Pearl. Most people get this wrong. They think Acorn Television only has old reruns, but the platform constantly updates with new, exclusive releases you won't find on Netflix or Hulu. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, though not as flashy as bigger competitors. Streaming quality is solid, with smooth playback even on slower connections. What really sets it apart is the storytelling. If you love well-written, character-driven series, Acorn TV's delivers in spades. Price-wise, it's one of the more affordable options, around $99 a month, with a free trial available. The downside? You won't find blockbuster movies or big-budget originals here. It's niche, but that's also its charm. Overall, Acorn TV's is a hidden gem for fans of British television. If you crave smart, cozy mysteries or witty dramas, it's absolutely worth the subscription.